Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 455 assign cookies. Okay, in this question you just have to return the maximum number of counting children or output the maximum number. Means you just have to check if s of I is greater than s of j. Means if s of I is greater than or equals to g of I, then you can assign the cookies, or if it is not exist, then you just have to move forward. Okay, so first you have to do one thing, that sort g dot begin comma g dot end. Okay, and after that you just have to sort s dot begin comma s dot end. Okay, and after that you just have to create a two pointer, which is int l equals to 0 comma r equals to 0. Okay, which is left and a right pointer. So okay, while I will traverse through the loop while s less than s dot size and g r less than g dot size. Okay, and after that you have to write the condition if g of r is less than equal to s of l, less than equals to s of l, then you just have to do one thing, r plus plus, and if it is not, then you just have to move forward in s. Okay, so just return this r after the ending of the loop. So let's run this code, whether it is running properly or not. While it's l, while g of r is less than, yeah, this will run properly. Yeah, this code is fine. Let's submit this code. Thank you for watching.